Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to be sharing with you how to set up the file in AutoCAD before you get it into Revit, so you don't face any trouble with the file before you start working with it, and then how to position it and lock it in a place in Revit. As you can see, we have two floors. We want to insert them into Revit. The first floor or the ground floor and the level 1, which means the first floor. If I load them to Revit, we will see these two floors in the same level, so we need to separate them. So we'll go to create two files. So I will select the ground floor, then Ctrl C for copy, and over here create new tab, then Ctrl V to place it, and the same thing to the another level. For the first floor, Ctrl C for copy, create new tab, and Ctrl V to put it here. So if you go back to the first drawing, you can see here this corner and this corner are aligned. So to make it easier in Revit, let's go to drawing 1. And select this coordinator system in the middle here. Then put it in this corner and do the same thing to the another drawing. These steps to make sure they will be above each other in the correct place in Revit, and to make sure to prevent any problem in Revit system or in Revit file, you should make sure there is no upper line. So you go to rotate the drawing and to make sure there is no upper line here. And now you can save this file.